Hi, I'm Tarek. I've just had my arthroscope surgery in my left knee with Mr. Colin Drury at Elanic Glasgow. I came for my surgery at Elanic because I done my knee during a game playing for Rocky Talbot. Just felt my knee kind of go, so came over to Elanic to get it sorted, and it was pretty quick and smooth. I was really impressed because after the consultation I was in for the operation within the next week, so it was really good. I couldn't complain, because if you're going through the NHS or that, you're going to be waiting ages, even a year or that, so I was buzzing. And that's good because it gets me back playing football as soon as possible, so brilliant. So when I came for my consultation, Colin already had the previous scans and the scan that I got done on my knee, so he was already clued up. Any questions I had, all the nurses were always in checking up on me, and they always made me feel at home, so it was a really easy process. I'm really excited to start focusing on my rehab and getting back on the football pitch as soon as possible, and then being able to see Colin again to get the all clear, so I'll be able to be back playing. With Elanic being in the city centre, it's going to be really easy for me to get to any post-op appointments, and it's just ideal for me. Thank you to Elanic for helping me get well sooner.